Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we're just going to do a quick short video on this Vauxhall Vivaro van. One of his colleagues had his van broken into yesterday, so he was a bit paranoid. So we fitted this two-way system. It's called a Prestige X2. How the system works: when you leave the vehicle, hit the top button to the left and release. You get one bleep, one flash. System will arm. Come back to the vehicle, hit the button to the middle. Get two bleeps, two flashes. Also, it's got the facility that if you want to arm it at night with no chirping, you can do that. And the way you do that is hold the button to the left, you get melody, then push and release, and you'll get silent arm. So we're going to watch the indicator. So push and hold, melody, release, push again. There you go, silent arm. Also again, silent disarm, middle button, push and hold till you get melody, and push and release. There you go, silent disarm. What we're going to do now, we're going to arm it and just show you the shock sensor. So we just wait for it to set. So the system is now set, so I'm going to apply force to it now. So if you just bear with me, I'm just going to apply a slight force and we're going to watch it trigger, and the two-way pager gives us an alert. There you go. System's triggered. Indicators flashing. Two-way pager going mad. Push it once, stop the pager. Push it again. System disarmed. I don't know if you can see there, but it's actually going to give us a picture of a hammer. What we're going to do now is we're going to arm it again, but this time we're going to actually simulate someone opening the door. So I'm actually going to use the original key to unlock it, and you'll see it trigger. And we're getting an alert from the two-way pager and siren going off. So bear a second, just wait for it to set again. So now I believe it's set, so I'm going to open the door with the key and make it trigger. There you go, alarm going off again, indicators flashing, pager going off. So hit it once, stop the pager, siren, then hit it again, system disarmed. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. So let's close the door and secure it up again. Bye bye.